Form Fill Reminder Email is an add-on for Google Forms that lets you connect Google Calendar and send reminder emails to your clients. To begin, click on Add-ons, select Form Fill Reminder Email, and click Configure. If you need to send repeated reminders every week to your employees or clients, this add-on is perfect for you. Go to Google Calendar and create a repeating or recurring event. Compliance form by employees, click More Options, and set it to repeat every week as a custom schedule. You can choose to repeat every Friday. And then click Save. You can also modify specific dates if needed. Now come back here and choose your calendar. Select the event to use as a reminder using the picker. Select the repeating event. It can be all day or recurring or single event too, but preferably choose the first occurrence. The add-on automatically copies the details. Enter your, if you would like to send it to your office staff. Enter everyone's email address, or use CC or BCC. For the reminder email, you can copy the published form link and paste the response link here. For example, "Hello everyone, please fill out this form." Then click Save. These recipients will receive regular reminder emails every week. To complete the form, along with the email body you have configured, the message will be sent to the recipients listed in the to CC or BCC fields. If you want to change the recurrence to monthly or another schedule, simply update the linked calendar event. I hope this add-on is helpful.